In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to claim an Amazon gift card. This process is quite straightforward, but it's important to ensure you follow each step carefully to successfully redeem the value of your gift card into your Amazon account. Let's dive right in. First, open your web browser and head over to the Amazon homepage by typing in www.amazon.com. Once the page loads, take a look at the top right corner where you'll find the Sign In button. Click on it. If you're already signed into your account, you might be taken directly to your homepage. If not, you'll need to enter your login details. Make sure you input your email address and password correctly to avoid any delays in the process. Once you're logged in, direct your attention to the top of the page just beneath the search bar, where you'll find the Gift Cards option. Click on Gift Cards to proceed. This page is your gateway to everything related to gift cards on Amazon, from purchasing to redeeming. Now, to redeem your gift card, you need to click on the Redeem a Gift Card button. Once clicked, you will be taken to a page where you'll see a box labeled Enter Claim Code. This is where you'll need to input the code from your gift card. If you have a physical gift card, gently scratch off the metallic strip on the back to reveal the code. Be careful while doing this. Scratching too hard might damage the code. If you received a digital gift card, the code can typically be found in the email sent to you or the person gifting you the card. After you've located the code, type it into the box. Alternatively, if you received the code digitally, you can simply copy and paste it here to make sure there are no typos. When you're confident the code is entered correctly, it's time to click on the Apply to Your Balance button. This action will automatically add the amount from your gift card to your Amazon account balance. You'll notice that your account balance has been updated to reflect the newly added gift card amount. It's always a good idea to double-check that the balance has been applied correctly, especially if you're planning to make a purchase immediately after. And there you have it. You've successfully claimed your Amazon gift card. Now, with your updated balance, you can go ahead and start shopping for whatever catches your fancy on Amazon. Remember, the next time you receive a gift card, just follow these simple steps and you'll be able to redeem it with ease. Thanks for watching and happy shopping.